It does taste like honey.
Standing is not resting. Very unusual. Oh, your ass is bouncy. Hey, slowly. Why are you shooting? I'm going to lie down. Switch it off.
So that's a manuka honey plant.
Manuka tree. Smell it.
Wow.
Very refreshing, isn't it?
Yes. Smells like manuka honey.
It's sweet inside.
Did you just tasted it?
Yeah.
What are you, a bee?
Sweet. You want to try? Manuka honey.
Okay, let's try it. Which one? This looks striped. Yeah, it does taste like honey. Exactly like manuka honey. That's good. So this is basically a small island, right? The taste of honey,
Still there?
yeah, it's constant
Oh, yeah.
on my tongue.
Do you want to eat the whole tree?
Why would I want that?
You seem to like it.
We have manuka honey at home, right?
Yes.
Lots of it.
Yes.
Why aren't we eating it? Next time, put it in my milk.
Wait for me. Very unusual.
Look at her condition. Holding my hand to go hike up. What is wrong with you?
You are wrong. Everything is wrong with you. I'm melting.
Easy. You want to rest?
Yeah.
Okay, let's rest in this sun. How about that?
Where?
Yeah, just stand here in sun.
Well, standing is not resting.
What do you want then? You want to sit?
Yeah.
No, once you sit, it will be difficult for you to walk up again. Your body will go in rest. Don't let it go in rest. Stand here only for a few seconds and then you move again.
Standing here takes my energy. Oh, your ass is bouncy. And it's sweating.
Then why are you tugging to my pants?
Because I need some support going up. Where are we going?
Just little more.
Hey, slowly.
So now we have reached the point where we can either go to Smugglers Bay, which is a little longer, or we can head to Urquhart's Bay and head to our car park, which is shorter. And the decision lies on her. What?
Never on me.
What?
It's never on me.
It is. I'm not pushing you. I'm just pushing your limits. You can do much better than this. Come on. You decide.
I'm resting.
Yeah, then rest then.
Why are you shooting? Switch it off.
Why? Are you going to rest in some different position?
Yeah.
Which position?
I'm going to lie down.
Lie down then. इसके आगे की जर्नी हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अपने अगले व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड कीप ट्रैवलिंग.